Hi everybody, in this video we're going to show you how to download an app onto one of the new Samsung televisions for 2018. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the home button right above the directional pad. So you push that and you're going to get a screen that looks like this. Now it's important to remember you are going to have a Samsung account set up to download the apps. So you will have to do that as well. It'll prompt you to do that the first time you actually set this up. But for this video, we're just going to show you how to download the app. So once you hit the home button, you're going to scroll to the left. So you're going to use your left directional button until you get to this tab that says apps. And from there, you're going to hit the center button on your directional pad. And it's going to bring up a screen that looks like this as long as you're signed into your Samsung account. Now, once you have this screen up, you can basically scroll through all of them. They have them categorized. There's editor's choices, most popular, and they break them down into different categories. But say we want to download the Zumo app. We're going to hit the right arrow button until we get there. And then you're going to hit the center button. And it's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. Now, install is automatically highlighted. So because that's the case, we're going to hit the center button on our directional pad again. And it's going to install that app for us. And then once it's done installing, you have the option to open the app or close the app. Or if you scroll down again, or you go to close, you have the option to add it to your home screen. That way it'll come up in that little bar that runs across the bottom of your screen when you press the home button. But it's as simple as that. That's how you download an app onto the new Samsung televisions. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned because we're going to have more instructional videos on how to use your Samsung TV.